Shocking alleged assault outside a local pub leaves community in turmoil. But what's next? Imagine a peaceful Friday evening shattered by violence right outside a neighborhood favorite spot. That's the unsettling reality hitting Failsworth after reports of an alleged assault sparked police action and a temporary shutdown. This incident not only raises questions about public safety, but also highlights how quickly things can escalate in our communities. Want to know the details and why this case might be sparking heated debates? Keep reading, and here's where it gets controversial. The pub's closure could be seen as a harsh penalty for something that happened outside its doors. In this friendly update from Greater Manchester, we're breaking down the story step by step to make it clear and easy to follow, even if you're new to local news. A 31-year-old man has been formally charged and is set to face court after an incident on Oldham Road in Failsworth on Friday, October 31st. Greater Manchester Police responded swiftly to the scene near the Church Inn, a well-known pub in the area, where the alleged assault reportedly took place. The suspect, Harry Hesketh from Plain Road in Failsworth, is now facing serious accusations. He's been charged with grievous bodily harm, GBH, which means causing serious injury to another person. Think of it as a severe form of assault that leaves lasting harm. On top of that, there's a charge related to threatening or violent behavior in a public place that could scare or intimidate others, often involving a group or chaotic situation. And to complicate matters further, he's also accused of possessing a Class A substance, which refers to highly controlled drugs like heroin, cocaine, or ecstasy under UK law, potentially pointing to underlying issues in the community. Hesketh has been held in custody ahead of his court appearance at Tameside Magistrates Court on Monday, November 3rd. This is a standard step to ensure public safety while the legal process unfolds, giving authorities time to build their case. But here's the part most people miss. These charges could lead to significant penalties if proven, from lengthy prison sentences to community orders, depending on the full circumstances. And this is where it gets really interesting. The church in itself has felt the fallout. On Saturday, the pub posted on its Facebook page that it had been shut down for a full 48 hours due to the incident from Friday night. A spokesperson from Greater Manchester Police explained that the premises received an initial closure notice, a precautionary measure under licensing laws to allow for investigation and prevent further disturbances. This means the pub doors stayed locked, impacting staff, regulars, and the local economy, a common tactic in such cases to give police and courts time to assess if the venue played any role. The police are actively seeking more information from anyone who might have witnessed or heard about the alleged assault. If you have details, please contact GMP by dialing 101 and referencing log number 4135 from October 31st. Sharing what you know could be crucial in piecing together the full picture. This story touches on broader themes, like how alcohol-fueled venues can become flashpoints for trouble and whether stricter regulations could help prevent such events. For beginners diving into crime news, it's worth noting that GBH and affray charges often stem from bar fights or street altercations, and temporary pub closures like this one are designed to protect the public while investigations proceed, but they can feel unfair if the business wasn't directly at fault. Do you agree that these measures strike the right balance between justice and community impact? Or is there a controversial angle here, like overreach in policing nightlife spots? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear differing opinions. For the freshest updates and breaking stories, head over to Manchester Evening News, co.uk. Stay in the loop with our top headlines, in-depth features, and expert analysis by subscribing to our Manchester Evening News newsletters right here. Prefer getting your news on the go? Join our Manchester Evening News WhatsApp channel for instant access to all your favorite content. Keep up with us on X, formerly Twitter, at @menewsdesk for real-time coverage of regional happenings and beyond, and don't forget our Facebook page for more interactions. If mobile reading is your style, download the Manchester Evening News app to get push notifications for every major story as it happens.